Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I used that hammered metallic pewter and resprayed the white Commodore Vanderbilt, because I did not like it white. I wasn't sure what other color I was going to paint it, but this actually looks all right on it. And you'd never know this was a wind-up Commodore Vanderbilt. That's one nice thing about this textured hammered paint. It hides everything. It actually came out quite nice, I think. So there's the Commodore Vanderbilt. There's the tinder I made last night, which goes with it pretty well. So for right now, I'm just running it with this tinder. So I just want to do a quick video so you can see this. This is like a 10-minute job. This was real fast. At a distance, this almost looks green. Well, it's running perfectly. It looks nice. It has a custom tinder with it. They match. That actually does not look too bad, that color. So it worked rather well. Like I said, I painted this one white, but I just wasn't happy with it. So I was either going to paint it blue or possibly green. Then when I saw this paint on the 400, I thought this might look okay on the Commodore. And as you see, it does. It actually looks quite nice on the Commodore Vanderbilt. The very nice thing about it is that it hides all the blemishes in the paint. You can't see the body work at all, where I filled the hole or the slot. Covered it up absolutely perfectly. So I think I might leave it this color. It's actually a quite nice looking Commodore Vanderbilt, and it has a matching tinder. It's like running the 400. I run a 400 until I get a metal engine, and then I upgrade by taking the motor out of the 400 and doing things just like this. This was a wind-up Commodore Vanderbilt. It was probably 8, 10, 12 bucks, something like that. And just a few minutes work with epoxy putty. I filled in the slot for the brake, and I filled in the hole for the key, and painted it white. Like I said, I thought I was going to turn it into a Red Cross engine, but with a red cross on it, it looks more Swiss than anything else, especially painted white. So didn't go with the white. I knew I was going to repaint it, but I thought this would be a good chance to test out this new paint, and this actually works really well. And I like the color. And the nice thing about this hammered metallic paint is it seems to hide everything. It seems to hide all the ripples and dinks and dings in both of these tinders. Now, this tinder is a pre-war American flyer. And the painting of this took basically a few minutes on top of an old cardboard box. And this actually came out pretty nice. I'm happy with it. The finials, stack and stuff, are just actually sitting on here. I'll probably give it another coat or two. But I just wanted to see how the color was going to look. And this actually looks good for a Commodore Vanderbilt. I think it's a good color for it. It's not black, it's not red, it's not silver, and it's not blue. So a rather unique color with matching tinder. So I just want to do a video on this. I just got it running, put back together. It runs well, it has plenty of power. It looks new and it has a matching tender. So this will work on virtually anything. So I'll go exploring some of the other colors they may have in this hammered metallic finish. This is supposed to be pewter, but it's darker than pewter, which is probably why it was on sale, because it's not the color of the cap. And the color of the cap is almost gold, so I didn't know what was going on with this when I sprayed it. It looks gray. From a distance, it looks green. And when you get right up to it, it looks brown, dark beige, actually. Hard to describe the color, but as you see, it sure hit a lot of the problems in these old engines. And you would never know this was a wind-up. I mean, this was a fairly early Commodore Vanderbilt. This is in the 30s. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video on this. Just got this finished and put back together. So a custom Commodore Vanderbilt with its custom tender. And the 400 over there matches it. So they can share a tender, or I'll very likely make two now. But just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's really, really simple to do. It only takes a few minutes. And you can take a junky old engine and repaint it, and it's not difficult to do that. And as you see, this thing looks new. It looks virtually new, as does the tender. So it looks nice, it runs well, it was inexpensive. Really difficult to beat that. So I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.